Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're utilizing your free time. By now, you must be well aware with the reasons to learn Python if you're following my videos. If you haven't already, go check out my other videos and drop any of your questions in the comment section below. In this video, I'll tell you how to set up your coding environment, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to write your first program. You're watching the Coding Samurai, and let's get right into it. Okay, so first you have to search for Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is a package manager. What a package manager is basically it is a GUI for all the tools you need regarding Python and data science. You can see desktop portal to data science because it contains the essential tools you need for practicing or getting to know data science. And this is the GUI I was talking about. It has Jupyter Notebook. I'll be using Jupyter Notebook throughout the series because it is really easy to set up. There's one more special feature about Jupyter Notebook. Go ahead and click on install Anaconda. Anaconda is available for different operating systems. As I have the Windows, I'll go ahead and click on the Windows one, click on the download Anaconda installer. Download. And here's the Windows version, the macOS and the Linux version. You will be given a choice for two versions of Python. Don't forget to not choose the 2.71. It's an older version and plus it has some less facilities, I guess. I'll be using Python 3.7 because it's newer and it has a lot of cool features. It's available for both 64-bit and 32-bit machine. I'll go ahead with the 64-bit. If you want to check what's the same for your machine, you have to search for system information. And it's written right here in the system type. For me it's 64-bit, so I'll go ahead with the 64-bit installer and it's downloading, so I'll let it download. Okay, so once you have your Anaconda setup installed, go ahead and run it. It will give you this prompt and we'll install Anaconda now. I agree, just me. Go ahead and select directory for your Anaconda package manager, and as I've already installed Anaconda, I'll skip this part. You go ahead and follow the instructions as it is given. It's really easy, and once you have downloaded the Anaconda, search for Jupyter Notebook. Okay, before starting, I'll explain you what is Jupyter and how it works. So basically, once you open Jupyter, you will be seeing two screens. One is the command prompt screen, that is basically the server, and the other one, a pop-up on your browsers. It is the user interface. They work in coordination. Whatever you do on the browser one, that is sent back to the command prompt. That's where all the processing happens. Be sure not to close the command prompt screen because once you do it, you will lose connection to Jupyter. You can close it once you are done with your work and you have saved it. Okay, so once you're good to go, search for Jupyter Notebook, hit enter. This will pop up a command screen. This is the server of the Jupyter Notebook. Every processing work is done there, and this is your GUI for Jupyter Notebook. This page will have the address of localhost and a port number. To make a new folder, click on new and new folder. You don't have to give it a name. Go to your Untitled folder. Click on new Python file. Okay, I'll just enter my first program as the notebook's name. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you got your environment set up perfectly, and the next video is going to be the first Python tutorial for absolute beginners or people who have some coding experience but in other language and wants to know more about Python. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned.